In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset the mobile view on Wix. Now, I must tell you up front that Wix, as of now, does not provide a dedicated reset button or a reset settings option specifically for this purpose. But don't worry, I have a strategy that can help you effectively handle any changes you've made that you're not quite happy with. Let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to your Wix site editor. Once you're there, look at the top menu and click on Site. From the drop-down menu, select Site History. This feature is incredibly handy because it allows you to access a timeline of changes that you've made to your website. Each entry in the site history comes with a date and timestamp, letting you pinpoint exactly when a specific modification was made. It's useful for those instances when you've made a change and aren't quite sure when or what it was. Now, if the adjustment you want to revert was made just recently, you're in luck. There's a simple and quick shortcut, the trusty undo command. To undo a change, just press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. This will take you one step back, undoing the last action you performed. It's like having a rewind button for your edits. And if you've been a little too enthusiastic with the undo command and gone back too far, don't worry. You can step forward again by pressing Ctrl+Y, which serves as the redo command. However, sometimes you may find yourself in a situation where you've made multiple changes and things aren't looking quite right. In this case, restoring to an earlier version via your site history could be the best approach. It essentially allows you to return to a previous version of your site, erasing the changes made after that point. This can be particularly helpful for resets since it serves as a safety net when you feel you've reached a point of no return with your alterations. It's worth keeping in mind that Wix's editing history can serve as a sort of archive, capturing various stages of your design process. Each time you save your work, a new point is created in your site history, so it's a good idea to save periodically, especially before making major edits. That way, if something doesn't go as planned, you can always step back through your site history and choose a version that best suits your needs. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to resetting the mobile view on Wix without a reset button at your disposal. I hope you find these tips useful and they help you manage your site with more confidence. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.